So when I give this code command here and then press enter, and if it gives you this kind of message which says ZSH command not found code, right? This is normal when you install Visual Studio Code for the first time. Now, when you install Visual Studio Code, then this code command is very useful in some cases when you want to use the terminal and when you want to use code command to open any folder, or there are many other flags which are available so that you can use the code command with the terminal to interact with the Visual Studio Code, right? So let me just exit or quit from here. And if this code command is not working on the terminal, we can just close this terminal for now and then quit from the terminal, right click and quit. And let's open the Visual Studio Code once again. And once Visual Studio Code opens, you just need to press Command Shift P keys on your keyboard, right? So press Command Shift P, which is going to open this kind of interface. And then here you just need to search for shell command option. So just type shell command here and you will see two options. One is uninstall code command from path, other is install code command in path. So we are going to use these commands one by one. So first, in order to just uninstall the stale version of code command, if you have previously installed different version of code or something like this, we can run this command, which is uninstall code command from path, and then click on OK. And once that's done, we are going to once again press Command Shift P and then search for shell command option. And then this time, once you have ran this command uninstall, then this time we are going to run the install code command in path. So just select this second option, and then it's going to give you this warning which says code will now prompt with this. So I'm going to click on OK, which is going to ask me to provide my macOS password which I use to log into my Mac operating system. And then I'm going to click on OK, and it says shell command code successfully installed in path. Once that's done, I can minimize this Visual Studio Code and open the terminal once again. And this time when I give this code command, it's going to open Visual Studio Code for me, right? This is one of the utility. Let's say I want to open some folder using Visual Studio Code and I want to use the terminal. So I have some code related stuff in my documents folder. So I'm going to cd into my documents folder. So just write cd documents and then press enter, and then give this ls command to list all the folders inside your documents folder. I have all these folders here. I want to go inside the samples folder. So I'm going to cd into the samples folders. Just write cd samples. This is the sample folder, right? So I want to cd inside the samples folder. And then from here, when I run the code space dot command, it's going to open the sample folder in Visual Studio Code, right? So you can see it has opened the sample folder in Visual Studio Code.